Universalizability. What if everyone cheated? Example, lost meaning. Respect for persons. That student is using the teacher and classmate as mere means to an end. Autonomy. Cheating undermines personal responsibility and rational moral choices.
Universalizability. If lying become normal, no one will trust resumes. Respect for persons. The employer is deceived and not given the chance to make an informed choice. Autonomy. Lying manipulates others, denying them rational decisions.
Downloading pirated educational material. Scenario: a student can afford a textbook and download a pirated version. Kantian analysis. Universability. If everyone pirated, authors and publisher might stop producing materials. Respect for the person. The rights of the content creators are violated. Autonomy. The student may justify theft with erodes moral agency.
Universalizability. If all officers accepted bribes law, enforcement would collapse. Respect for person. Bribery reduces both giver and receiver to selfish interests. Autonomy. Taking a bribe means ignoring one's duty and moral law.